Okay, this is my bike check. Got a couple new things on my bike, so I figured I'd put a video up. Okay, I'll start with my frame. The frame's a Eastern Night Tramp 20.75 top tube with mid-bottom bracket and integrated C-clamp. It's I don't know, it comes in like raw acid wash. I didn't really pick it. My old frame snapped and they gave me this one for the warranty. So the bars, they're the Deco Foo bars. They're 28 wide, 8 up sweep, and then 5. No, they're 5 up sweep and then 8 back sweep. And then I have ODI grips, like every other person has a BMX bike. Colt bar ends, Colt top load, salvation stem, FSA headset, director forks, and the front wheel is a Shadow Raptor front hub with the Shadow Stun rim and Animal GLH 2.25 tire in the front. What else? Seat. It's a BSD slinger seat. It's really comfortable. It's the most comfortable seat I've ever had. So, then I have the Subrosa layback seat post. It actually you can feel a lot because it makes your seat go back just a little bit further, like 10 degrees. Pedals, premium slims, worst pedals ever. You really shouldn't get them. The pins break off and become loose, and I mean, they're the best pedals the first week, and then they're shit. Crank arms, the Fit Flow cranks, and the sprocket's a We the People 28 tooth Supreme sprocket with Bluebird chain, and I have both the Shadow Little one pegs, both sides. And the back wheel's the same as the front. Shadow Raptor Stun. Tire is the Odyssey Path 2.1. And I think that's about it. I still haven't put up a biking video either, so hopefully I'll put one up soon. And, yep, that's my bicycle.